Hello, my name's Ian from Bathroom Brands, and today we're going to be showing you a short video on how to clean your mirrors. These are the tools required for this job. So when cleaning your bathroom mirror, the main thing to be aware of is you need to spray your soap and water or your glass cleaner onto the cloth rather than onto the mirror itself. You're trying to avoid any oversplash of the surround, whether that's a wooden surround or a metal surround. So you spray onto your cloth, and avoiding the frame as much as possible. You'll be cleaning your mirror. So once you've got that, dry it thoroughly so there's no streaks and no residues, and pay particular care in the edges of the mirror. You're trying to avoid any water from pooling in here, which will create what we call foxing, which will damage the edge of your mirror and will invalidate your warranty. Another thing to be aware of with bathroom mirrors is they need to be used in a well ventilated room. If you get a lot of steam from after your shower and your mirror is steamed up and is wet, then again, frame and mirror, just make sure that you dry it off thoroughly. So thank you for watching this short cleaning video. If you need any more videos, you'll find them on our website.